Hello, with this short video, I want to show you how to use CogniCrypt to generate code to combine the output of two PRNGs into one combined output. This combined output is considered to be secure as long as at least one of these PRNGs is secure. To do so, you first need to invoke the CogniCrypt code generator plugin. It then shows you a list of tasks that can be used for code generation. One is the combiner for PRNGs. On the top, there is a short description of this task, which tells you what this task is about. And if you choose it and hit next, you get a new screen that tells you that AES is used to combine the PRNG outputs. So you need to choose the block mode. We choose the CBC mode and then hit next. Finally, we need to tell the code generator where the code should be generated. So we choose the code generator test project here and the source folder, and then hit generate. This takes a few seconds. After the code has been generated, you will see a new package within your project called the CogniCrypt Crypto. And if you open it, you can see the files that have been generated by the code generator. Here's the PRNG combiner.java file that shows you an example usage of the combiner. So you need two input PRNGs. One of these should at least be a secure random. And you need to know the number of bytes you want to generate. And as well, you need the mode. And with these, you can then initialize the PRNG combiner. Finally, you simply need to invoke the next byte method to generate the combined randomness output. So this generated code you can use within your project wherever you need it.